done. Now we are doing the set name.
This is very cool.
Do you have any doubts here? Yes. Oh, what's happening here? And then let me know when. Perfect. Great video. Okay. Didn't validate mine yet. I still waiting. So if you validated your, go to profile and see your name. My transaction is done. I can see here that set name is done. And then if I came here to profile, here we are. Now I have my name here. And I know that it's me doing this course. So this is the basic. I will put another more advanced smart contract here. I'm not sure if we can do it or if it's better to solve the doubts. What's your time? What do you think, Anthony? I think you are muted.
Sorry, did you ask me something?
Yes, what do you think it's better to do now? You prefer to create a bit complex smart contract or to solve the doubts of our students?
What was the second option?
Solve the doubts or create a new smart contract.
Well, does anybody have any questions that they want answered, that they want to... So someone says, after subscribing, where do we go? If people have questions, we can answer. That'd be great. I'm really liking this academy system. It's very interesting. I can see a lot of possibilities with this.
Yes, we can talk later, Anthony, because I created this and I saw the bunches that you talk about, and maybe I can do something related.
Yeah, that'd be amazing. So after subscribing, let's then.
Yes, I put in the right moment. This is the response. After subscribing, okay. Where you need to go after subscribing? You go here to line 1. Go to line 144. So you will validate your name on master name. So go here, and then you will be, let me copy this. You'll be here in the validate name. Because I did this before, I don't have, I cannot validate again. But here you put your name and the address of your smart contract.
Cool. I think at this point we're also going to do an airdrop. So everybody get an airdrop. Put your address in the workshop chat, and we're just going to distribute all of the dev cash and the tokens equally among everybody who put their address in the workshop chat. workshop chat. So if you would like an airdrop, just put it in the workshop.
Can I participate too?
Yeah, you can do it too. So yeah, if you want an airdrop, just drop your address in the workshop chat and you will receive RIF tokens DevCash. Make sure you do that. And the fewer people put their addresses in, the more...
You are muted, Anthony.
One person said, "This looks great, but it goes too quick for me. It seems this is for people who have deep knowledge of coding." Yeah, this is actually a beginner meetup. I can see how it could be difficult for people who are either beginner coders or know nothing. Problem is, it's kind of hard sometimes to gear the meetup to different skill levels. Actually, what we're going to do in the future is we're going to have different skill level workshops. So we'll have like really super beginner ones. We'll have more experienced ones. I hope you enjoyed the meetup anyway, even you. There will be like the stream. You'll be able to catch up on the stream on YouTube if you like. I'll post the link there. So that will be something you'll be able to do. Also, you can also go through the RSK account and stay in here. And if you have any problems, any issues in your journey, you can always post questions in this Discord, and we'll help you out as well. So yeah.
Perfect. I can complement a bit. Anthony, in the past, I run live classes about all the modules of Academy, so you can see the past classes too. You can see how we did it. You can pause and do it slow. And in the same time, I'm sharing my screen again. So we also have a Slack, open Slack, and also you can do some questions directly on RSK. Maybe can be useful too. And in the end of our chat, I'm putting my contacts. So feel free to add me on LinkedIn, or also I have in my personal website, I have all of the events that I did before. So you can see the events in English, Spanish, and Portuguese. And I put my events on Twitter, the news on Twitter, so you can follow me.
Okay, I'm airdropping RIF tokens to everybody right now. We'll be doing DevCash too. All the addresses that got posted in the workshop chat.
Which ones are you going to do?
I'm just do all the DevCash that I sent you. I sent you. Just split it up between all of them. No. Yeah, do like 3,000 because there's 6.
I only see.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool.
Anthony, we have a person that have a problem with your transaction. Can this person, the green person, share your screen? Maybe I can help it.
Yeah. If you want to share your screen, go ahead. We'll help out. Go right ahead and share your screen. You should be able to. Great. So just so you know, the RIF tokens, they're going out on RSK blockchain, and the DevCash is going out on the XDAI blockchain. So if you don't see it on the same blockchain, normal. If you want to learn how to use the XDAI blockchain, I put up the link on how to become a bounty hunter. It's there, so follow that link. I'm just going to repost that. Yeah, no, actually, I think that's in the general chat. Yeah, and in the general chat, I posted a link up there, how to become a DevCash bounty hunter. That'll show you how to connect to XDAI and your DevCash.
And for the RIF token, that'll be on RSK blockchain. Yeah. Yeah, just airdropping. Anybody have any questions, any comments they want to bring up?
Yeah, I was wondering, are there any like projects that we can work on with you guys?
Yeah, definitely. So what I would do is I would look over the Bounty website, the BDU website, and then just just talk to us in Discord. Talk to me in Discord. Let's have a message. Take a look at the bounties that are up there just to get an idea of what we're looking for, and let's talk. You and I. Not everything is out there, but if you read the website and everything